Hello all my dear students, welcome back to Prudence coaching. As we have completed till sum number 4 in the previous video, today we will start with sum number 5. According to this sum, a VCR and a TV is bought for rupees 8,000 each. That means the cost of VCR is rupees 8,000 and the cost of TV is also rupees 8,000. The shopkeeper who bought the TV and VCR made a loss of 4% on the VCR and the profit of 8% on TV. So now the shopkeeper is selling this TV and VCR, and on the VCR he made a loss of 4% while selling it and a profit of 8% is made on the TV. You need to find the overall gain or loss percentage on the whole transaction. So after selling both the TV and VCR, what is the overall profit or loss percentage you are asked to calculate in this particular sum. So let's start with the sum. On the left hand side, you will make a column for VCR, and on the right hand side, you will make a column for TV. And within the bracket, you will write CP equals to rupees 8,000 in both the places, because CP is said to be rupees 8,000 in the question. Now we will start with the VCR. As I have discussed in the previous classes that whenever we are dealing with profit, loss, CPSP, at that particular time you always need to assume the cost price of the article to be rupees 100. So we will assume the cost price of VCR to be rupees 100. To the question, on selling the VCR, the shopkeeper made a loss of 4%. So this loss, that is 4%, will be calculated on cost price, because profit and loss is always calculated on cost price. So 100 rupees was the cost price according to our assumption into 4%, that is rupees 100 into 4 by 100. 100 and 100 will get cancelled and rupees 4 will be our loss here. And we all know that selling price is CP, that is cost price minus loss. When there is loss, that means selling price will be less than CP. So CP minus loss is the selling price. Here we have assumed the CP to be 100 and loss to be rupees 4. So 100 rupees minus 4 rupees, we will get 96 rupees, that is our selling price. Now we will compare the assumption with the actual value to find out the actual loss by selling the VCR. So rupees 100, which we assume to be CP, is equal to rupees 8,000 in actual. So we can write rupees 100 equals to 8,000 rupees. Rupees 1 will be 8,000 divided by 100. We are taking this 100 in the denominator. We are dividing it by 100 to get the value of 1 unit. And we need to find out the value of loss, that is rupees 4. So rupees 4 will be 8,000 divided by 100, that is the value of 1 into 4. After calculation, you will get this 0 and this 2 zeros will be cancelled. So you will get 320 rupees as the loss. Now we will start with TV. Now let us start with TV. Here we will assume the cost price of TV as rupees 100, and as there is profit of 8%, we will calculate the profit 100 rupees into 8%, that is on the cost price. So you will get 100 into 8 by 100, 100 and 100 will be cancelled. You will get rupees 8 as your profit. So the selling price will be here cost price plus profit, because whenever there is a profit, CP is less than SP, or you can say selling price is more than CP, therefore it is profit. So selling price will be the cost price plus rupees 8, that is the profit. You will get 108. Something, this part, that is finding out selling price in both the cases, are not required in this sum. I just put in this one so that you can understand how to find out the selling price. You can just ignore finding out selling price in this particular sum because we don't need it. Now we will just compare the assumptions with the actual value. So we have assumed the cost price to be rupees 100, which is given to be rupees 8,000 in the question. So we have written rupees 100 equals to rupees 8,000. Now we will find out the value of 1 unit, that is rupees 1 will be equals to 8,000 divided by 100. But we need to find out profit, that is rupees 8. So rupees 8 will be 8,000 divided by 100, that is the value of 1 into 8. Now you can see these two zeros and these two zeros will be cancelled. So you will left with 80 into 8, that is 640 rupees. Now students, we have calculated the loss amount and profit amount. As you can see, profit is greater than loss, that means there is overall profit. How you will calculate the overall profit? That is the profit 640, that is bigger one, minus 320, that is loss. We need to deduct the loss from the profit. You will get 320, that is overall profit. Okay, profit on the whole transaction. Now total cost will be rupees 8,000 for TV and rupees 8,000 for VCR, that is 16,000, or you can write 8,000 into 2, you will get 16,000 rupees. Now we need to find out profit or loss percent on the overall transaction. As you can see here, overall this is profit, so we will find out profit percentage, and we know the formula for profit percentage, that is profit divided by CP into 100. So here profit, that is overall profit, is rupees 320 and overall cost price is 16,000. So 320 divided by 16,000 into 100. Now we will just calculate. Here 3 zeros and 3 zeros will be cancelled. 16 into 2 will be 32. So we are getting 2%. So our answer will be 2%. So my dear students, in the next class we will be discussing sum number 6, and this is your homework. You need to try to solve this sum at your home. If you find the content of this video helpful, then like, share, subscribe this channel, and if you want to get regular update, don't forget to click on the bell icon. And my dear students, if you want to get all these videos related to this particular chapter, then you must check the playlist, the link of which will be given in the description box, and the name is Comparing Quantities. Bye bye students, see you in the next class.